Hello everyone, get ready for change because change is important. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we're gonna learn about start your day in English. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. I have already uploaded one video of part number 1. You can go there and check that video, or I'm repeating those sentences again in this video. When my alarm rings, I slowly stretch my arms and take a moment to wake up properly and brush my teeth until they feel clean and fresh. I looked in the mirror. I walked back to the bedroom and head straight to the wardrobe. I open it and choose my clothes for the day. After that, I comb my hair neatly. Before leaving the room, I look out of the window or what the weather looks like. If you haven't subscribed my channel, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So let's move toward the next part. When I reach the kitchen, I pour some water into a glass. That's what happening there because water, like drinking water in the morning, is really very healthy. So we all should have water in the morning and drink it slowly to refresh myself. I place the empty glass in the sink, open the fridge, take out some bread, and slice it. Here you see the slices. I eat the bread, chew it slowly, and swallow my food calmly, enjoying the quiet of the morning. After breakfast, I walk to the hallway. We all should slowly eat the food. I pick up my jacket and put it on. Then I put on my shoes. Once I am ready, I open the front door and lock the door behind me, so keeping everything safe. Then I look up at the sky for a moment, noticing its colors and the soft morning light. When I reach the traffic light, I stop and wait. When it turns safe, I walk across the road and continue my day because it's very important and it's legally important to stop. After I walk across the road, I hear someone call my name. It's my friend. Good morning, she says. Morning. Where are you going? I ask. Just walking. Let's go together, she replied. We walk side by side, talk about small things, and laugh a bit. After a few moments, we stop at a small cafe. Tea or coffee, my friend asks. Tea for me, I say. Coffee for me, she says. We sit, talk for a bit, and then decide to continue our day. After that, I spend the rest of my day doing small tasks, taking a short walk, and enjoying some quiet moments. When the evening comes, I head back home. I open the door, take off my shoes, and put my jacket away. I eat dinner, relax for a while, and think about my day. When night arrives, I feel tired. That's what happens. See, can you tell me about the dinner you eat in the nighttime? I go to my room, lie down on my bed, close my eyes, and slowly fall asleep. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care, bye bye, and remember me in your prayers.